Alright, so pretty much today, this shit here needs to go in here. There's the first one, and then the other one is right over there. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Taking all this shit off, and it's so goddamn dirty here. Oh well, more to come. Alright, so once I get all that gold baller shit out of the way, get this pipe out of the way that has our mass airflow sensor in here, put that right there. You can see the first DISA's right there, but then the other one we still gotta take all this shit out. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Alright, so on the left we got the old one, here's the new one that's going in. So a big problem with a lot of these DISA valves, and got to replace this one and the one that's inside the manifold, is they tend to fail over here. So you can see the new one has a metal pin that goes all the way through. This one has a plastic one, so with high mileage this little flap here can break and get dislodged in the intake manifold and just destroying your engine. So I'm getting a code that this freaking valve that's on the inside of the manifold is failing on me, so I gotta replace both of them just for the hell of it. Well, you know, just to be safe. Alright, so this took a little bit of research, but basically you gotta take this throttle body off from the bottom over there, and put that away. And you can see there's one screw over here, and there's another one up here, another one down over there. And you gotta take those three out to get the DISA on the inside loosened up and removed. But before you start to do that, we should probably take off the manifold first. So yeah, let's go do that. And then basically those three boys go into these three holes in here. So yeah, fun. All right, got it loosened. Now the trick is you don't have to take the entire manifold off, you just move it around a little bit. It's kind of funny is exactly a year ago I had to take this manifold off once to replace the starter. It's kind of funny, it happened right before I started my new job that I had to take this fucking thing off and replace the starter. But we're gonna do the same thing for the DISA in here. It's already loosened and it's just right there. Alright, there. So let's get to it. Oh, would you look at that? Pulled it out. It's out of here. So you can see this thing's freaking broken. It doesn't even work properly. Now what you could do is there's a kit that can actually take this goddamn thing apart, rebuild it, and it fixes the flap here. I'm gonna hold on to this, keep it. If the new DISA valves are giving me a hard time, or if I need to send it back for warranty, then I can just rebuild this one here and hopefully it will work fine. But we'll see. We'll hold on to it for now. Alright, so while my ass is in here with this manifold off, another thing I want to do is replace the gaskets that mate to the engine. So I got some fresh rubbers over here. Gonna make sure we get that done. Yeah. Alright, manifold is on, DISA is attached securely, second DISA also attached, throttle body is attached. Almost done here. Alright, so before I had this code 2aac, which is specifically for the DISA inside the manifold, as well as you can see my air mass sensor was unplugged as well, but now, alright, so before I had this code 2aac, which is specifically for the DISA inside the manifold, as well as you can see my air mass sensor was unplugged as well, but now that the new one's been installed, we're going to clear the codes and see if it comes back later. And then after clearing the codes, starting the car, reading them again, you can see the 2AAC is gone, but still got to go for a drive later and see if it comes back or if we get any other codes. So yeah. Alright, went for a little rip, drove out to Flying Beaver, shout out Flying Beaver, cool place, and reading the codes, see if anything comes up. No more 2AAC. I'm guessing it's working properly now, so I don't know. We'll see. See if anything else comes up or if my car explodes. And that's pretty much how you change the DISAs.